Hi, welcome back. What is the binary number 1101 in base 10? Binary means base 2, which means you can only have two digits, in this case 0 and 1. So let's write this down again and see what it actually means. So we've got 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This first column here is the units column. And the next column are the 2s, and then 4s, 8s, 16s, etc. Each column is a power of 2. So this is 2 to the power of 1, this is 2 to the power of 2, this is 2 to the power of 3, and this is 2 to the power of 4. The units column is actually 2 to the power of 0. To convert this into base 10, we simply add up these numbers where we've got a 1 here. So it's a 1, a 4, an 8, and a 16. And that's 24, 28, 29. So the answer is 29. Another way we could have done this is we could have kept on adding ones to this number. So if we added another 1 here, this will be 1 plus 1. Well, that takes us back to 0 because we can only have two digits. We then carry a 1 over to this column, and these stay the same. If we add another 1, we get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And if we add another 1, this goes back to 0. This then flips over to 0. So does this. So does this. So does this. And we end up with a new 1 in this column here. This column is 2 to the power of 5. In other words, it's 32. Continuing our doubling sequence along this line. So this we know is 32. Well, if this is 32 and we added on 1, 2, 3, then this must be 32 less 3, which is of course 29. Hope you found that interesting. If you want to know more about binary numbers, drop me a note in the comments. See you next time.